Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for content creation. First, set up your Notion workspace by creating a new page and naming it Content Hub. Then, add a database to this page, choosing the table view. Customize your database with properties like status, content type, and publish date to organize your work effectively. This foundational step ensures all your content lives in one accessible place. Once your database is ready, start populating it with your content ideas. Each entry in your database can be its own Notion page. Within these pages, you can create custom templates for different content types, like blog posts or videos, ensuring a consistent structure. Assign an initial status, such as planned or idea, to clearly mark its current stage in your workflow. Now, dive into content creation. You can write your entire piece directly within the Notion page associated with your idea. Easily embed or attach images, videos, and other relevant files to keep everything together. As you progress, update the status to drafting, then in review when it's ready for feedback, and finally ready for publish once approved. The final step is publishing your content. Once live, change its status to published. Add a URL property to your database entries to link directly to the live content, making it easy to revisit. While Notion doesn't track analytics directly, you can use the database to note key performance indicators, helping you understand what resonates with your audience and plan future content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.